All right, guys, hooked up to a big one. Holy cow. Holy cow. Tom and I just started fishing. It's friggin' 5 degrees. And this fish is big. You got it? Tom had to get the net off the back of me. Holy cow, Tom, it's big. If you can get to it, get it. If you can get to it. Let me see if I can raise its head for you. Holy cow. I can't believe that. I can't believe it. It's so cold, you guys. We were gonna give it a half hour for real. A half hour was gonna do it. Yeah, Tom, get him, get him. Oh, bud.
I'm only one hand.
Sorry. There he is. Yes, yes. Holy cow, holy cow, holy cow. All right, we're gonna get to shore real quick. I'll show it to you. All right, guys, there it is. Ontario Steelhead. Wow. Whew. Get that guy back because it is cold. All right, good morning, guys. You just saw that first fish of the morning. It's freezing. Winter has arrived. When I say freezing, I mean 5 degrees Fahrenheit. This is one of the only places that we know that has open water. And like my third drift, white marabou jig, just bam, nice big fish. So it's tough when it's this cold, but we'll get back at it, see if we can get maybe an hour out of this before we're frozen. So hang in there with us. Hooked up, guys, hooked up. We got another one. And Tom is on the shore. Tom! Holy cow, guys. Whew. That's 2. I don't think I can get him. I don't know. I'm gonna try to drag him to the shore here. Luckily with the cold water, there's not much fight left in them. But we'll see if we can skate them into the shallows here. Get lucky. Holy cow, guys. Nice fish. Another nice fish. Number 2 on the white jig. We got him. Woo! Yeah, guys. Holy cow. Yeah, nice. Bit it right where he was supposed to. Whew. White marabou jig, guys. There it is. Not as big as the first one, but still a nice Ontario fish. Look at that. You get these fish back again. It's like, whew, it's like 5 degrees out here. I mean, getting wet hands is not the right idea, guys. But holy cow, we had a day off and thought, even if we give it an hour, what the heck? So that's 2 fish. As far as I'm concerned, we're good. As far as Tom is concerned, we're not good yet.
I'm not.
So he's gonna keep trying, but all right, we'll check in a minute. Whew. Thanks, buddy. All right. Whew. Tough conditions, guys. I don't know how good the video is gonna be, but the sun is just starting to pop up and hopefully warm it up a little bit. It might be 8 or 10 at this point. There are cold days and then there are days like this. I mean, this is unfreaking believable how cold it is. We got our faces covered. We got, I mean, I don't know if my fingertips are gonna survive it, but we're getting them on the white jig. And 2 of them in pretty short order, so that's convincing enough for me. We're gonna keep trying. Dude, my reel doesn't want to work.
Mine neither.
Not because it's wet. Just because the grease is solid. All right, guys, we're hooked up again. Holy cow, another nice fish. Ugh. Oh man, heck yeah. Can you get the net? Right where the other one was sitting, that first fish.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Dude, yes. All right. Oh, thanks, Tom. You're a good sport. See if we can get this one. Yeah? Yeah. Nice.
Look at the purple on there.
Right on, man. Oh, wow. Look at the purple stripe on that fish. That's freaking gorgeous. What do you want to do here?
You want to let him go right here?
Yeah. All right, we're going to try to unhook him right here in the net. Yes. Hold on. And rather than go all the way to shore and get cold hands and everything. That's how cold it is, guys. It's just freezing. So we're gonna try to get a nice release. Hold him up out of there and see if I can just tail him real quick. And see if I can show him to the camera. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous Ontario steelhead, guys. They don't get much prettier than that purple stripe. So right back into the drink. Tommy, my friend, thank you for the net job. We're gonna get that hooked back up. Everything you touch is metal, your hand sticks to. I touched my forceps by accident and I couldn't get them off my thumb. I literally had to shake my hand to get the forceps to come off my thumb. So there's obviously a bunch of fish in here today, and we've been watching the water drop. It was real high. We had a crazy storm. There's a blizzard happening, but not here. And so the water looks like we got about 8 inches of viz, and again, just hitting them with the marabou jigs. That's the third fish on this jig, and every time it touches my rod it leaves a little fur because it freezes right to it, or my fingertips, whichever. I laid it on the shore, I picked it up, it had a rock stuck to it, so you gotta dunk it in the water. But that's how cold it is, guys. But that's what it's gonna take today. So that's 3 fish. We're really trying to get Tom onto one, so we're hoping that happens for him. Sun's coming up, blue skies, so life is good. Oh, that was it. Man. Line management becomes really important when it's this cold, because I don't care what line you're using, it's not going to want to behave when the temperature's that cold. So you can see I'm holding it in my hand, in between my fingers when I reel it in to keep it from coiling, all kinds of nonsense. But you really got to do it. Also, this, I mean, holy cow, that's just ridiculous amount of ice on there. Gonna have to bite that one off. We got her, good as new. Now all the ice floated in there. Oh, you saw my fingers stick to my reel. Gotta be careful what parts of it I touch. That does not feel great. Even though my hands are cold, I can feel it sticking to metal and pulling it off. Holy cow. I think this is the coldest I've ever steelhead fished. We've done a couple of 15-degree trips, stuff like that. But man, when we got out of the truck, it was like 4 or 5 degrees. It was cold. We postponed our start for an hour this morning because it was 2 degrees. Supposed to be a high of like 18 today, which will feel like a heat wave compared to this. up again, guys. Oh, we got a splasher here. Holy cow. Right on the edge of that ice floe. Holy jeez. Holy jeez, that's a good one. We gotta wait for Tom with the net. Great big red stripe down the side of that thing. I'm just talking to the camera, big red stripe on this guy. I told everybody we're just waiting on Tom. Right on the edge of that ice, bud. That was a crazy bite.
Yeah.
Float barely went under.
Yeah, I think I'm missing him because you do.
Yeah, that was crazy. Let me know what I can do. Oh, hold on, hold on. That's a big fish. He's going. Take our time. Hold on. It'll happen. I can't get him up. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. It's okay, it's okay. All right, we're gonna want to get down there, Tom. This guy's giving us the run. He smells that current. Yeah? Oh no, you should have said something.
I didn't see him.
Oh, it's hard in the muddy water. Really hard. This is a big fish.
Got a lot of light.
Yeah, all of a sudden he's wanting to fight us. We had him flopping around pretty good for a minute with his head up. It's hard because you can't see him in the dirty water. There it is, bud. Got him? Oh, Tom.
Did a 180.
Tom, come on, bud. What's going on? I'm trying to hold him out of that current. Anything, anything. Walk. It's hard. Tom's got his hands full too. That ought to do it. Yeah, dude, that's a tank.
Look at that. Look at his cheek.
Oh my God. That's a big, big Ontario steelhead right there. Big white marabou jig right in its kisser. We're gonna try to do this one out here too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As long as you're okay with it.
Yeah, I'm all right. Big, oh, just popped right out. Nice. Let me get that out of there. Give you a good look at him here. Holy cow, guys. Oh, jeez. He's big. He is big. Wow, I don't know how much you can see of him, but that's a giant. That is a giant. Nice Ontario steelhead. Get going back. Whew. There he goes, buddy. Holy cow.
That was the tough one.
Dude, I didn't think we were gonna get him. I'm so cold. That one was right on the edge of the ice. Unbelievable. So, all right, let's get the net hooked back up and see if we can get into some more. You can see the ice right there, and it pushed back and revealed about 10 feet of water, and I was like, I'm gonna throw up in there. So, made a cast right on there, and boom, he bumped it. So, all right, we'll get back at it. Gotta wait for a minute. Wait for the ice to clear up here. The wind blew for just 5 seconds, and all of a sudden I couldn't get a cast in there anymore. Pretty interesting fishing though. Uh-oh. Caught an ice patty. They're banging into me here. That's alright. Give me a chance to untangle, warm up my fingers a little bit. he? Tom's hooked up with a good one. He just said, I'm gonna move spots with you. I'm gonna move spots with you. And I was like, yeah, get in there. And he freaking hooked up. We're gonna have a problem because Tom usually gets the net off. Can you get it? All right, you get that fish under control first.
I got the fish.
Make sure you got him under control. All right, we got the net off. Where's the fish? Easy now, easy. These jigs, you can't horse them, remember? Right? They're the cheap. Oh, jeez. They're the cheap jigs, Tom. Oh, jeez.
That's a big fish.
That's a big fish. Holy cow. Easy, easy, easy. Yeah! Yeah! We got him. We're going to the shore. He's big. Help me out. He's big. All right, if you need to let line out, let line out. We're going to shore with him. You good? It's okay. We'll go to shore. He's really... You got him or no?
I got him. I think that's one of my biggest.
Dude, it's... Yeah, it is. All right. We're making our way to shore here. Holy cow. You got a good one. Holy cow. Well, we got to get the jig out first. Hold on. That new color. Oh man. Barely hooked. For what it's worth. All right, there's that. Let's get this all out of the line all out of the way. All right, let's show them to the camera. And then you can release them. I'd like to get a picture, but I can't get to my phone. Okay. We'll try to get a nice... Yeah. Hold him out, bud. Oh, man. What a gorgeous, gorgeous fish. Tom! Yeah, buddy.
All right, let's get him back.
You did it. Release him.
What's your thoughts?
All right, guys. Well, yeah, Tom says, what's your thoughts? My thoughts are it's freezing cold. Man, have you had enough?
I'm thinking.
I'm thinking 5 fish to the net and all nice.
In about, what, an hour and a half?
Yeah, all nice fish. So, yeah. All right, let's get our stuff cleaned up here and we'll check back in with you in a minute. All right, guys. Tom and I are out of here. I don't know how long that lasted, about an hour and a half, but we got 1 fish to the bank for every degree of Fahrenheit we got here. Oh, we lost some. Tom left his glasses behind. We made a new friend, which was super cool. He was showing us some of the sculptures he does by hand. You never know who you're gonna meet, which is super cool. But man, it's cold. We're freezing. I don't know if the waders show the ice. I mean, this is ridiculous. I don't know if we can get these off. I don't know if we're getting these boots off, Tom. But we're gonna get back to the car. We both got hot coffee. That's a day for us. So I don't know what's gonna be in store. There's like 5 to 7 more days of temps like this on deck, and man, I don't know. We're probably ice fishing, but this was cool to make it happen today. So we'll catch you on the next one. My waders are frozen solid. Holy cow.